everybody, I'm Leon, welcome to a new video. I make content every day focused on video production, making money online, tutorials and business. So if those are your interests, then be sure to subscribe with notifications on. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the masking tool in Premiere Pro. So without wasting any of your time, allow me to jump into it. Okay everybody, so I'm on Premiere Pro right now and these are the two clips we're going to be working with. And essentially what you want to do is come over to the Effect Controls tab, and essentially you're met with three options. The third one is technically, you make your own sort of mask, I guess. But you got these two sort of masking options, for example, circle sort of mask. So let's just test it out real quick. There we are. So as soon as you click on this option, you're automatically met with this, this effect. And essentially, what you can do is just drag these up, to a sort of scale you want. Or actually, you can also decide what mask you want to show, so move it around. It shows a specific part of the video. And essentially, another part is, give me a sec, let me just delete that mask real quick. And you got met with this one as well. So there we are, just again with it. And it's a little bit different with this one. If I'm correct, hold on, if I'm correct, I can maybe press shift or something. But yeah, that's essentially how you use that sort of masking tool, like that sort of feature. I guess that's how you sort of use that masking option. And of course, you're met with this one, which essentially means, the pen tool. It's pretty obvious by what the actual icon looks like. And essentially, you just want to, isn't it obvious? You click. I'd say that essentially, I'm sure you can do better masks than me, come on. And essentially, just come back to the actual clip we were using earlier, or previously. And essentially, just, increase the size of that mask that we've just created. That's not what I was going to do. Let me just there. Increase. Hold on. Perfect. Now, essentially, just decrease and just place it where you want. And essentially, you've got your, and you can obviously do this mask as well. So, as usual. There we are. So it's somewhat a little bit. Right, hold on. Actually, what I want to do is, if you're, I'm sure you can do it again. I'm sure you can do it better than me, and you can essentially make your own square webcam. Okay, everyone. So that is how you use the masking tool in Premiere Pro. If this video was of value to you, then be sure to subscribe with notifications turned on for more videos. Leave a thumbs up and share the video to help it rank in search results and help the channel grow. And if you have any questions or feedback for me, then be sure to leave them in the comments section or message me at leonofficial_17. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care, everybody.